And the surge of the coronavirus global health crisis is beginning to threaten the food value chain in the country. In this report, TVC News correspondent Jesse Tafida takes a look at how the lockdown has had a strain on food security, especially in Borno State.
Borno State is yet to recover from a decade-long insurgency which has caused a disruption to the livelihoods of thousands of Borno residents. Many live below the poverty line in this state, where hunger and starvation, a normal way of life in the IDP camps, dotted across the state. The federal and state government, as well as other non-governmental organizations, have taken up the task of providing relief materials to IDPs and vulnerable people in the state so as to ease food insecurity. The United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization has also stepped up efforts in provision of livelihood support programs to vulnerable people in host communities. They include the provision of implements for livestock farming, aquaculture, and dry season farming, which are meant to boost income generation and enhance food security among crisis-affected households in northeastern Nigeria. But the ravaging global health crisis is compounding issues with many states across the country now under lockdown in a bid to curtail the spread of the virus. The movement restriction in Borno State has resulted in farmers now having limited or no access to farm input, and which has made prices of food items to skyrocket.
Price of goods as a result of this rapid shutdown of the market environment, the price of commodity within the market has already increased beyond the affordable price which it has been before. The price of the commodity here is so costly. It's beyond the level that we have been buying it before now.
We're still appealing to the government to at least to help the civil servants and masses of the town too. The situation is very critical.
The cheering news in all this is that the Food and Agriculture Organization is making effort to ensure abundance of food, especially in the light of declining purchasing power of most Nigerians.
We are providing support, direct support in terms of food assistance, in terms of cash transfer, but in terms also of livelihood support to protect and promote the livelihood in this region.
To mitigate the impact of the coronavirus pandemic on agriculture, the FAO suggests that federal and state governments must meet the immediate food needs of their vulnerable population, boost social protection program, and keep food supply chains flowing. Jesse Tafida, TVC News, Maiduguri.